Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to log in into the Barclays application on your mobile device. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Barclays application. Now, all you need to do is accept the optional cookies first. Once you've done that, click on I have a Barclays account and click on App Ask Not to Track. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and ask you for a password that you want to go ahead and create. I'm simply going to go ahead and create one. So let's say that right there. Or I couldn't create it. Let's say now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email on the tab. That's going to go ahead and ask you for email, and then enter your password on the tab that is going to go ahead and ask you for your password. Once you've simply went ahead and entered those details, you're going to be logged in into your account. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.